Hi, my name is Sarah Bell, and I'm doing a PowerPoint presentation on metallic and non-metallic minerals and their uses. Alrighty, so metallic minerals have a very shiny appearance. It's kind of really self-explanatory. Metallic is shiny. They usually are in igneous rocks, but they can sometimes come from others, but more than likely they'll come from igneous. They are malleable, which means they're capable of being extended or shaped by beating with a hammer or by the pressure of rollers, and there is metal in the mineral's composition. So some examples of metallic minerals is aluminum, which is this first one right here. Then it's iron, and then gold and silver. Alrighty, so aluminum can be used in the automobile industry, can be used for like car parts or car parts, yeah, and building industry, and construction, all of that, electrical industry, and the manufacture of cans and bottles, like your aluminum cans for soda, all of that kind of stuff. We have gold, which the most obvious is jewelry. There's lots of gold used for jewelry every year, and then electronic industry, like wires, stuff like that. It's not that as common as it's used for jewelry, but it can be used in the electronic industry. There's iron, which is used in manufactured steel. We have bicycle chains, bridges, magnets, and it can be used for many other types of things as well. Iron is pretty common to be used in a lot of stuff. And then we have silver, which another common thing that you would think of with silver is jewelry and tableware, like spoons, knives, stuff like that. And then also I found this very interesting. Silver has a great visible reflective it has great visible reflective properties, so it's used in mirrors, which I found that very interesting. So non-metallic minerals do not have a shiny appearance. They are usually from sedimentary rocks, but like you'll see in the next slide, some come from metamorphic rocks and some come from igneous rocks. Not all of them come from sedimentary, but like before, they usually are from sedimentary. They are non-malleable, so not easily morphed, stuff like that, as a metallic rock. And then they do not have metal in their composition. Alrighty, so this one we have diamonds, like our examples, we have diamonds, marble, limestone, and coal. As you can see, I mean, this one's shiny, but it's not like actually metallic. I think it's just shiny because of the lighting, but you can also see through it. It's very transparent. But yeah. Alrighty, so the uses, we have diamond, obviously jewelry, like wedding rings, promise rings, earrings, very expensive. Diamond is a very rare mineral. That's why it's very expensive. So the beauty products, I found that they are used in facials and stuff like that costs like $7,000. Very interesting. Probably wouldn't spend $7,000 on a facial, but you do you. And then we have audio equipment, which I also found very interesting because I didn't think that diamonds would be used with audio equipment, but diamonds actually are very hard. And so they also can be used, diamonds are used in when you want to cut something for construction or anything like that, it's used in the actual tool that is used to cut things. And then we have limestone, which is used in construction and concrete. It's also used as a road base. So a lot of construction uses. Then we have marble, which is very pretty in my opinion. I love this mineral. On counters and floors, columns and foundations, very pretty. And then we have coal, which is obviously used for cooking on your grills and also used for electricity to heat your houses and all of that kind of stuff. And here are my references, and that is all. Thank you.